Today we are going to discuss about animal testing should be banned. Today we have Jana, Aisha, Ada and I, Afifah. Personally, I think that animal testing should not be banned because of this procedure, a lot of cure for a lot of diseases have been created. Without this cure, we maybe have died already, because we know that our country is tourism country, that a lot of people from other country come to our country. They some of them did not got proper medication system that lead a lot of diseases come towards our country. Yes, this procedure is very hurt towards animal, but I think nowadays we have a lot of technologies and information science, and because with that we can make this procedure more we can improve this procedure, like reduce the number of animals, because we have a lot of technology. That's all for me.
Sorry, Afifah, but I don't agree with you with what you have said, because actually we also rely on them, right? Because in order to continue our life, we have to consume their meat. For example, we eat rabbit, right? So animal testing have put animal in to too much pain. So sometimes and mostly animal testing have done through the testing. So we have waste their meat. So probably we can't get a chance anymore to eat their meat. So such as rabbits, what I have checked say, when we eat the meat, we can continue our life, as I said, and we can gain our energy from that. So I think animal testing is very wasting procedure, because we are wasting the meat that we can eat and sell for our country. So Sada, can you continue?
Okay, I definitely agree with your opinion. Speaking for myself, I definitely agree that animal testing should be banned because the animal testing can harm animal species. As humans, we should be loving to the animals so that the species of animal will be preserved and will be take care. Okay. So as we know right now, we ready to find the species of animal that now become
Rare
to find. Yeah. Okay. If we test the chemical as example for animal testing, normally we use chemical substance, right? This chemical substance can give the bad effect to the animals' bodies or structures. So if we test the dangerous chemical substance to the body of the animals, definitely it will harm them. And how about if we test the chemical substance to the rare species in Malaysia or in this world? Definitely we will not find that animal species anymore. Okay, then animal testing also can cause pain and suffering to the animals. So as a human, we should not testing product toxicity to the animal. Okay, because animal testing should be eliminated because it violates animals' rights. Okay, so we should be more loving, more responsible banned too because it is kind of wasteful. In fact, that our DNA cells are not like 100% similar to the animal, and we are far different from animals, right? Okay. It is stated that it is stated that 19 out of 100 drugs that test in animals fail in human. This is because of the fact that our DNA are different and with them. Okay, so it will cause a lot of pain, a lot of suffer to animals, and it is kind of pity to see them in pain. So I think it is kind of wasteful if we touch the animal and then the animal die. Right.
Yes.
Okay, so when we test the animal, we don't know their reaction with the chemical substance. We don't know how far the pain goes. So we keep on giving the test, and at the end it will overdose, so it will kill the animal, just like that. So
Any idea?
That's all.
Wait. For example, scientists have made eye test to the rabbits to make medicine to ease the irritation in human eyes, and they use rabbit as their they use rabbit as their experiment.
Material.
And then they force the rabbit to keep their eyes open, like they can't blink for even a day, like that. So it will kind of suffer, right? Even for us, it seems like harmful. So it is quite inhumane, and I think it should be banned immediately.
Our group are conclude that we should ban this process because of this torture and wasteful procedure. That's all from us.
Thank you.